Hello, good morning viewers. This is the Gaisano of Calbayog City. You know the place where I belong. Joke. All the business minded, you can invest here in the Philippines, in the Calbayog City. You can business here of Calbayog City. We have Calbayog City is wide to can make your business here of Calbayog City. The Calbayog City is the middle between Luzon and Mindanao. The other way, this is the mini road. The other way is have highway Maharlik Highway going to Tacloban and Leyte going to Mindanao. That's why the better business for you in Calbayog City.